Hello and welcome everyone to one more videos from CS Corner. I'm Sunita. Friends, in today's video, I'm going to show you few extensions that will help you to take attendance of your students. Also, you can see when they have joined or when they have left the meeting. As Google Meet does not have all fancy features like Zoom, but we can add some of these missing elements by installing few Chrome extension. So friends, let's begin with the video. Friends, if you want to take attendance of your students, you have to install extension Meet Attendance. So using Meet Attendance, you can take attendance of a particular class, when they have joined, what duration they have joined, when they have left the meeting, everything you can get in Excel sheet. Another extension which I'm going to show you is what Dual List. Dual List allows you to split your screen. So you can split your screen 30%, 70% or 40, 60 like that, so that you can share your screen along with you can see the charts also. So that way you can use Dual List. If you want to use Meet Attendance and Dual List, you have to install extension from Google Chrome Store. You can go to Google and you can type Dual List extension. And this is what the extension which is going to help you to split your screen. You can open this and add to your Chrome Store. So you can see it is showing me this extension. Since I have already installed this extension, it is showing me remove from Chrome. If you are installing first time, then it is not going to show you this option. So just you need to click on add to Chrome button and proceed with the extension. Similarly, you can install another extension, that is Google Meet Attendance. You can click on this search. So you can see this Meet Attendance extension you can add to your Chrome. After adding extension, you can go to your Chrome and you can see whether the extension has been added or not. So let me show you. This is what the extension. So I need to click on this. So now you can see it is showing me Dual List as well as my attendance extension which has been added. And you can see what I have done. I have just pinned this extension. So now therefore I'm getting this extension over here. You can see this attendance extension is in gray color because now I have not logged into my classroom. As soon as I log in to my classroom, this is going to become red color. And another extension we have as Dual List extension. So let's begin how to use this attendance and Dual List extension. Alright friends, so I have logged in with my Google account, and you can use this attendance when you have logged in with Google account or you have sync with your Google account. So now you can see various options available over here. First option is mouse over. So what is mouse over? Whenever you take mouse cursor on that attendance, it is going to capture attendance. Another option we have as add a new sheet. So if you want to add new sheet to your Excel, then you can take that option. Or if you want to add new spreadsheet only, then you can go for the third option. We have option for taking snapshot also. So for your attendance, you can take snapshot also. So you can utilize this option during your attendance. So that shortcut is also available over here. So I have logged in with one of my classroom and few of my student has joined. Since I have enabled the extension, so I'm able to take attendance. You can see on and off option. If you off this, automatic attendance will not be taken. So always make it on. If you click on participants or people list, then attendance will automatically will be taken. So now you can see this is what the attendance which comes into Google Sheet format, having various columns such as participants, when they join, when they left, and what is the total duration of their meeting. Okay, so this all thing you can use for making your attendance records. I conducted my this class for around more than 2 hours. So you can see total duration, it is showing more than 2 hours. So in this way, you can get which student has login when, and what is the total duration of a particular students. Okay, so then you can go to again your classroom and you can check out if any student has dropped the class or not. If they have dropped, then it is going to show in red also. And if you want to add a new spreadsheet, you can click on options and add a new sheet or add a new spreadsheet. Okay, and then this option is used for on and off of attendance. If you make it off, then your attendance will not be recorded. Okay, so always make it on, so whenever you take your mouse on that option, it is going to record your. Friends, you can see below it is showing me various sheets available in my this spreadsheets. Since I'm having various classes, that attendance of all classes has been recorded day wise, class code wise. So you can click on any of the option and you can get attendance of that particular class. So this way you can use Google Meet attendance for recording your attendance any point of time. Now, next I'm going to show you dual list, how to use dual list. So you can see now my screen, it has been divided into two parts. So if you want to divide your screen into two parts, then you can go for Google dual list extension. Okay, so various option available for dividing. Just you need to click on dual list extension at the top of Chrome. Okay, so now I'm clicking on this dual list option. You can see various options are there for splitting your screen. Select any of the option which are needed for your presentation. So for example, I was teaching one program to my student. I wanted to see a comment of my student along with that program. So you can split your screen. Now I'm able to see comments as well as my program. So I can explain my program and I can type something and I can see comments of my student also. So this way you can utilize Google dual list extension, which are not available by default in Google Meet like other web conferencing tools. So just add this extension and start using. They are very helpful for managing your classes. And if you want to teach something online, you can open Chrome and you can teach simultaneously. You can see chat also. And suppose you want to teach from PPT, you can open PPT, adjust the size, whatever size you want, and then you can teach from PPT also, and you can reply to the query of students and you can chat with them also. So I'm using this because it was missing in this Google Meet. So I downloaded this extension. I'm using it from my first classes onwards. Friends, I have installed other extension of Google Chrome also for taking classes. I'm going to give link of that in my description box. You all can see that. Friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it today. And if you have missed my any video, you can watch, and please do comment whether you like or what type of video you want. Thank you friends for watching my video till end. Please share my video to your friends. Friends, see you in next video. Till that, bye bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.